Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Nola Viva, and today I'm spilling the tea on some money. Okay, so I made some money, okay, on YouTube finally. No, but for real. Okay, so how much money did I make? Okay, I made, let's see, let me go to my handy dandy computer and see exactly how much was deposited into my account. So I made $160.49 to be exact. This was accumulation of a couple of months. So basically, like, how it works is there's new requirements as of like 2018. You have to have 1,000 subscribers and like 4,000 hours, I believe it is, of watch time before you actually are approved to monetize your videos. All right, so once I reached that threshold, that's when it started accumulating and everything to how much I could actually like make, which was that 160 was my first deposit. So basically the way that I got paid was through direct deposit. I set this up prior. It's through Google AdSense, their own separate website. It's not through YouTube. It's through AdSense website, okay? And yeah, you're gonna have to set up like your tax information, you know, your mailing address, because what they're gonna do is they're gonna mail you this Google AdSense little envelope thing here, and then it's gonna include your PIN number on it. So they're gonna send this to you like weeks in advance. Like I think they do this as soon as you like apply to get approved for monetization. They send this to your house. So make sure that you have an address on the account that you can actually receive your mail at, because this is like crucial. So I was like, when am I gonna start making money on YouTube? Because I would see that I had like $65. It was showing like $65, and so my understanding was once you reach $100, which this is fact, once you reach $100, you will then get sent your money. So if it's $99.99, they're not sending you that, sis. They're gonna wait till you literally reach $100. So once you reach that, that's when they will go ahead and either send you a check if that's what you have set up, or they'll direct deposit it to your bank, which is what I had set up. So I saw it at $65, and I'm like, okay, what else, you know, like how can I get this up to $100? And it finally dawned on me to like actually go into my Google AdSense account and like look at it. So you're gonna see transactions. This is like how you are able to tell like what you made for that month. And this is the thing with this, you it won't show you the information until like the following month. So basically, like for October, like the whole month of October, I won't see that until like the middle of November. So I was seeing that I was accumulating money. I was seeing that. I'm like, oh, this is actually over $65. I went to YouTube Analytics and I basically matched it up. So I did it from the beginning of when I started getting monetized. I did it from that time period all the way until the current, you know, date. And I saw that I should have got $160, and I was like, oh my God, you are just amazing. Like, I was so happy, and I knew it was on the most side, because that was the perfect moment that I needed that money. But anyways, I saw it was 160, and I looked in the Google AdSense account, and it wasn't showing it was 160. It was showing it was $90. So at that point, I'm like, yo, what's going on, y'all? y'all forgot about my coins over here? Y'all trying to like cheat me? What's happening? But this is what happens. They actually, like I said, wait till that next month to show you what you made for the previous month. So, and it's like generally, they say like the first 4 days of the new month is when they will show you what you made for the last month, but it actually took them all the way until the 17th. So literally on the 17th is when they show I would have $160, and then on the 21st is when they paid me. So that whole period that I was waiting till the 17th to see those numbers, girl, I was like itching, like, yo, oh my God, is they really gonna like pay me this money, or like what's happening? I'm trying to figure out how to contact them, but that's what happens. Okay, they're probably gonna let you know at the end of the month, like a couple days before they actually send you the money. So just be patient if you're at this stage, okay? And one of the things that You do want to make sure if you are at this stage is you have your tax information filled out, because I almost didn't get paid because of that. I didn't realize I had like to set that up. So it's just literally takes like 2 or 3 minutes. So that is my first YouTube deposit. I hope I like answered like some questions that y'all might have had in y'all mind about this topic. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you also follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.